Good morning. Grab your coffee. I want to talk about something that came up in a comment yesterday on my Zorin OS video. I wrote a whole reply, longer than the video itself, and of course it vanished on me, so we're doing it here, fresh, with coffee. Grab yours. Somebody said Linux Mint XFCE had some of these features 20 years ago. All distros are fine. They're free. And yeah, I was there 20 years ago, maybe longer. I remember exactly what Linux was back then. Sure, the features existed, but nothing was ready for you or installed. You had to install things manually, chase dependencies, learn terminals, tweak configurations, fix breakages, repeat it all over again next week. What you actually got was a desktop, a browser, a basic Office suite, and Thunderbird. Not much else. It left people feeling trapped, unless they were already power users. Fact. That is a fact. Been there, done that. And here's the thing. The people coming to Linux today are not the same crowd as 90s and 2000s, or rather they are the same crowd, but they're much older now. In fact, they're 20 and 30 years older now. Most were young, no kids, no mortgage, no real responsibility, had time to learn terminal, build our system every weekend. But today, users, they've got kids, grandkids, jobs, homes, responsibilities. They're creators, editors, streamers, writers, people who need computers work to work now, not after a weekend of tweaking. There is the rub, right? Most folks aren't switching to Linux because they want a new hobby. They're switching because they want privacy, stability, control, familiar workflow, a system that respects them, digital sovereignty. They're looking for a new home for their computer, not a degree in rocket science. And that's where Zorin comes in. It's not about who had the feature first. It's not about distro wars. It's not about experience. Zorin gives people something familiar, something stable, something that works out of the box. No dependency hunting, no terminal marathons, just a system that does what they need every day, pretty much. And sometimes you do have to go into that terminal, even with Zorin, to make an adjustment. But with AI today, 5 seconds in the terminal to create a little link that helps the whole system, it's acceptable. If this really is to be the year of Linux, we've got to stop cheerleading. We've got to stop fanboying our favorite flavors. Some people want to tweak. Some people want to learn terminal, and that's great. But the huge number of people want something that works the way we expect. And Zorin is one of those distros that delivers that. It's not the only one, but it's one of them. So yeah, people today aren't looking for a new OS for their computer. They're looking for a new OS for their life. And that's what digital sovereignty is all about. All right, everybody. That's the morning ramble and coffee. Done. Thoughts are out. See you in the next one. Like, follow, and subscribe.